Good evening. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Paper. Okay, this is 2015 A-level question, area volume question. Okay, today our target complete the area volume measurements and basic lessons. After that, from next week, next Tuesday, I'm going to start a new program, and you have exam within second week. Second week mean today 8. Okay, I will inform what is the exact date for your exam. You have next week you have an exam. 3-hour exam. Okay. First one. Show that the volume of a closed spherical tank of radius 3 meter and a closed right circular cylinder of radius 3 meter and height 4 meter are equal. It's a good question. Show that the volume of closed spherical tank, spear-shaped tank, spherical means spear-shaped tank of radius 3 meter and a closed right cylinders. Okay, how we can show this? Okay, I'll calculate here. If you got spear, you can separately calculate spear volume, no? Yeah, volumes. Yeah, the volume of sphere. The volumes of sphere, how to calculate? Do you remember what's the equation? The volume of sphere. 4/3 phi r cube. 4/3 phi r cube. Very simple. 4/3 phi r cube mean 3 cube. What is the value? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27. 27 again cancelled into 3. It is 9. 9 into 4, it is 36. 36 5. 36 5 cubic meter. This is the volume of the sphere. Okay, next you can get the volume of closed right cylinder. Closed right cylinder of radius 3 meter and height 4 meter. How we calculate the volume of cylinder? What's the equation? 1/3 phi r. Sorry, no need 1/3 phi r squared h, because it is a uniform cross section object. Now cross section area, it is phi r squared into h. Phi r squared into h. Next, phi r squared into h. Okay, keep phi without multiply. Then r squared. Cylinder radius 3 and height 4. R squared mean 9. 9. Height 4. 9 into 4 again 36 phi is cubic meter. 36 phi cubic meter. Now you can see the answers are same. Finally, you can say therefore, volume of sphere volume equal to the volume of cylinder. The cylinder volume. Okay, that's a full answer for question number part 1. Question number 1, part 1. Both answers same. Okay, part B, the expected production cost of spherical tank, sphere-shaped tank, and right circular cylindrical tank per square meter are 20,000 and 15,000 respectively. Show that it is cheaper to build a cylindrical tank, cheaper to build the cylindrical tank by the calculated the production cost of each these two tanks. Okay, first of all, you can calculate the total surface area of sphere. No? Okay, this is a part B. You can calculate total surface area of B. Total surface area of sphere. Okay, sphere total surface area. What is the equation? The surface area of sphere. What is the equation? 4 pi r squared. You have to remember 4 pi r squared. Okay, 4 pi r squared 4 into 22 over 7 multiply radius, it is given 3. 3 into 3 it is 9. Now you can get this value. Are you good? What's this value? 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 9. Are you good? Divide by 113 point. No, better to keep it as 792 over 7. Okay, this is the cross section area, square meters. Cross section area of full sphere. Full sphere cross section area. Now, I can calculate the production cost of sphere. Sphere production cost. Sphere production cost. How about per 1 square meter? Per 1 square meter, it is 20,000. 20,000 rupees. Now you can multiply these 792 over 7 multiply by 20,000. Multiply by 20,000. Okay, now you can get the production cost of sphere. Production cost of sphere. Not 2,000, 20,000. Approximately rupees. Okay, this is approximate 22 lakhs and 62,857 total cost for production cost for sphere. Good question. In this question, why we take 4 pi r squared? Because it is sphere. Sphere tank and height right circular cylindrical tank per square meter. It is not volume. Per square meter. Per square meter mean what? Surface area. Per square meter cost 20,000. How we calculate this sphere area? Joel, what's the equation for sphere area? Kabir, sphere area? Yes, 4 pi r square. It is not from volume. Volume making because per square meter, not cubic meter. Understood? Okay, this is a production cost. This is a production cost. Okay, the same method you can follow for cylinder as well. First, you can get the cylinder cross section area, not cross section area, surface area. Okay, so I am going to get cylinder cross section area, not surface area. What's the equation for cylinder? 25RH. It's a closed cylinder 25RH plus 25R square. 2 into 22/7 into radius 3 and height 4 plus 2 into 22/7. I don't need. Let's keep as 5. 5 into 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5 into R squared mean 9. Goes 3 squared 9. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 4 24 5 plus 18 5. 18 plus 24 42 5. 42 5 square meter is the area, the full area of the cylinder. Okay, now you can get the production cost. Production cost. What's the production cost? 42 multiplied by 22/7 because 5 multiplied by per 1 square meter. What is the cost? What's the production cost per 1 square meter? The production cost is 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. Now you can get the answer. 42 into 22 into 1,000. Sorry, 15,000 divide by 7. Okay, this rupees. Okay, they are the production costs. Rupees. Okay, 22 lakhs and 62,857. 19 lakhs and 80,000. 19 lakhs and 8,000. Okay, which one is cheap? Which one is cheap? Habir? Which one cheap? According to production cost, cylinder or sphere is cheap one. Cheaper one. Yes, cylinder is a cheap one. Go to the question. The question given, show that the cheaper to build cylindrical tank. It is given, answer given. Cheaper to build cylindrical tank by calculating the production cost of each tanks. Now you can say therefore cylindrical tank cheaper than sphere tank. Okay, this is a final answer for question. If you have any doubt, please ask. In exam, is there an area essay question every time? Not every time. Not every time. Sometimes statistic question compulsory. Essay questions in maths part, essay question statistic compulsory. That's all. Every time asking. And the second question optional. Sometimes it is area volume, sometimes coordinate geometry, sometimes trigonometry and area volume combined question. Sometimes, yeah, they are the possibilities. Sometimes area volume and coordinate geometry combined question. Statistic කොහොමද? Let's compare. Okay, see, three right circular cylindrical tanks of radius 3 meter and radius 3 meter and height 4 meter are to be placed on a flat land with the centers of each cylindrical bottom of the tanks at the verticals of an equal triangle like this, according to as given is this figure. Okay, now as given in the figure, equal to triangular area of side 7 meter. The side length 7 meter. This is equal to triangle side length 7 meter. 7 meter is the side length. 7 meter. Okay. Calculate the area of this triangle. It is an equal to triangle. Equal to triangle 7, 7, 7. 7 meter, 7 meter, 7 meter. Okay, how we can get the area? We have two options. If it is equal to triangles, what happens? Those all angles are equal. Then one angle is 180 over 3. No? It is 6. The value of one angle, it is 60. Now we can use the area equal half into AB sine C, our basic equation. Half into AB both 7 into 7. 7 into 7 sine 60. Sine 60 means root 3 over 2, right? Sine 60. Now 49 root 3. 49 root 3 over 3 over 4. That's area. You can use calculator to get this answer. Who is correct? This Harid? 49 root 3 divided by 4. It is 21.22 square meter. Who correct this? Harid? 22.22 square meter. Kabir? Okay, if you use half into base into height equation, you calculate, you can use Pythagoras theorem and calculate this perpendicular height. It is 3.5 and hypotenuse 7. Yes, correct. Okay, both methods correct. Okay, that's a very short method. Joel correct? This is a short method. නැත්තම් අපිට perpendicular height එක හොයලා you can calculate the height of the perpendicular height of the right equal to triangle using Pythagoras theorem, then calculate the half into base into height. That's correct, right? Yes, use calculators. Use calculators. Don't calculation errors because you can use calculator. Okay. Second one, the area of this triangle not covered by the cylindrical tanks. Okay, the area of this triangle not covered by cylindrical tanks has to be calculated. This is shown by the shaded area in above figure. Calculate this area. Actually, the question asks what is the shaded area of this triangle. What is the shaded area of this triangle? Okay, now I got the full area, the answer for full area of the triangle. Full area of the triangle. Okay, first of all, I need what is the radius of this cylinder? It is 3 meter. 3 meter. This one also 3 meter. The scale is not correct. Scale is not correct. Then the remaining part only 1 meter because total 7. I got. Then the angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees. The question asks is shaded area. Area. The shaded area. The question asks shaded area. Okay, how to calculate this shaded area? First, I can calculate unshaded area. Now I already know the total area. First, I can calculate unshaded area. Okay, how to calculate unshaded area? Same type, 3 sector part unshaded. 3 sector part, angle 60. Okay, now I am going to calculate unshaded part, unshaded area. Unshaded area. What's the equation? 60 over 360 into 5r square. 5r square. 5r square. 60 over 360. 22 over 7. R squared means 3 squared 9. 9. 0 to 0 cancel. 36 to 6. 6 to 9 cancel 2 and 3. Okay, 22 into 3, 66. 66 over 40. 66 into 14. Unshaded area 3 times. මේ වගේව 3ක් තියෙනවා. Then again I multiply by 3. Okay, then 66 into 3. 66 into 3 divide by 40. 14.14 square meter is the unshaded area. I got this is the unshaded area. 3 sector parts. 3 sector parts. Full area of 3 sector part. Unshaded area 1 sector part multiplied by 3. 1 sector part area multiplied by 3. Okay, now I have 2 answers in unshaded shaded area. What am I? Shaded area. Shaded area 21.22 minus 14.14. $7.08. 7.08, approximately 7, right? 7.08 square meter is the shaded area. Clearly note. This is the answer for question number part C, question number 2. Part C, question number 2. Okay, complete. Amina. Complete. Okay, let's move into next question. Measurement parts. Okay. The circular scale of a micrometer screw gauge is divided into 50 equal segments. 50 equal segments. That means circular scale parts 50. 50 equal parts. When the circular scale is rotates, when the circular scale is rotate one full turn, that's mean one full rotation, the spindle shift by 0.5 millimeter. What's the meaning of this sentence? The second sentence meaning? Can anyone send me? What's the meaning of the second sentence? Yes, very good. It is screw gap or pitch. Screw gap or pitch 0.5. That's the definition of the pitch. When the circular scale rotate one full turn, the spindle shift distance is the screw gap. Screw gap on the linear scale. What is the least count of this micrometer screw gauge? Okay, this is a full answer. The least count equal, what is the equation? You can write down the equation in short form. Screw gap divided by number of circular scale parts. Number of circular scale parts. And now you can get the least count. 50. 0.5 millimeter or 50. Now you can get the final answer for least count 0.01 millimeter. 0.01 millimeter. This is a full answer. This is a full answer. It's G means screw gap. Screw gap. It's a full answer. Correct, right? According to following diagram, what is the zero error of the instrument? What will be the zero error? Okay, first of all, you have to you have to find out, is it positive zero error or negative zero error? Okay, what do you think? It is positive zero error or negative zero error? Quickly send me. The zero error positive or negative? Yeah, it has a zero error because linear scale middle axis and vernier, sorry, circular scale zero not coincide each other. Not coincide. Okay, this zero error, you can understand, very good. You can understand the circular scale zero stopping lock before reach to the linear scale middle axis. Kalin natara veno. Stopping before reach to the linear scale middle axis. I told the reason for this scenario, something apply between anvil and spindle. Something apply between anvil and spindle. Okay, that's the reason. Something apply between anvil and spindle. That's the reason. That's the reason. That's the reason. Okay, now it is a positive zero error, correct. Good. Now, if it is positive zero error, now you need value. Okay, the coincide value 0, 1, 2. 2 is the coincide value. Now you can multiply 2 multiplied by least count. You already got 0.01 millimeter. Now the zero error 0.02 millimeter. This is the answer. If you want, you can write down in within bracket. It's positive zero error කියලා තියලා තියන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක අහන්නේ නැහැ, but so positive zero error. Positive zero error. Positive zero error. It's a positive zero error. The value is 0.02 millimeter. There are exam questions. Part 2, the reading of a measurement obtained with the above micrometer screw gauge is shown below. The reading is given below. Okay, the question asks what is the reading shown in the diagram? Okay, what is the reading? Can you read this? Okay, what are the steps? First of all, you can get the it's 0. It's 0 given. It's 0. The first value is a 0. 0. 0. If it is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 is the linear scale value. 2.5 millimeter is the linear scale value. 2.5 millimeter is the linear scale value. Next, what's the coincide value? 45, 46, 47 is the coincide value. Understood? 47 is a coincide value. 47 multiplied by least count 0.47. 0.47. Add 0.47 millimeter. Now adding. Now you can get the reading 97 millimeter 2.97 millimeter. 2.97 millimeter. 2.97 millimeter is the reading. Understood? .97 millimeter is the reading. What is the correct measurement? If the measurement has a zero error as indicated previous part. Now the instrument has positive zero error 0.02 millimeter. Then this is the reading. How you can get the accurate reading? Now positive zero error, subtract or addition? To accurate. Subtract or adding? Fatima? Positive zero error, subtract or adding? Very good. Subtract. Good job. If it is positive 0 error, something applied, then to get accurate measurement, we have to subtract. How to subtract? 2.97 millimeter subtract minus 0.02 millimeter. 2.95 millimeter. 2.95 millimeter. I correct this? Okay. If you have any doubt up to now, please send message. Okay, next. Next, this is 2016. In first part, we discussed area and volume 2015 question. Now this is 2016 question. The following questions are based on various geometric shapes, information that can be required for the calculation is provided at the end of the equation. Give answers for the calculation for the first decimal point. It's mentioned the first decimal point enough. Okay, you can round off into first decimal point. The sketch of a logo designed for a society is given figure 1. Yes, this is the logo. It consists of a rectangular hexagon and 6 semicircles. Okay, this is the it consists regular hexagon. Yeah, that's a hexagon with 6 sides. Hexagon. This is a hexagon and 6 semicircles. Yes, these are the 6 semicircles. Very simple. 6 semicircles. Okay, this is the logo now. What is the value of AOB? What's the meaning of AOB? This angle is asking theta. Okay, it is very simple. If it is hexagon, how many equal parts now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you got the full angle, it's 360. If you got this circle full angle, it is 360. 360 divided by 6. Part 1 answer. 360 360 degree divide by 6 parts. One part angle 60. Who correct this one? It's very simple. Too easy. Good. Fatima? Amina? Correct? Very good. Good. Second one. Calculate the area of the logo showing relevant step. Calculate the area of the logo. Okay. Now 60 degrees. The angle was 60 degrees. And if it is 60 degree, now one side 3.5. 3.5. Okay. Now, okay, then you can decide these triangles are, those triangles are equal to triangles because angle 60 and this hexagon, these triangles are equal to triangles with side length 3.5. Side length 3.5. Now we can get one triangle area. One triangle area. The triangle area, one triangle area 60 over 360 into 5r squared. 5r means 22 over 7. R squared means, sorry, no, triangle area, sorry. Half into AB sines. Half into AB. AB means 3.5 into 3.5. Sin C. Sin C means sin 60. Sin 60. It's the easy method. Now sin 60 equal root 3 over 2. Half into, better to get all 6 areas together. 6 triangle areas multiplied by 6. Then it is easy. 6 triangle areas at once. Okay. Sin 60 root 3 over 2. Then 3.5 into 3.5 into root 3 over 2 into 6. Now it is 3. Okay, that's all. Now you can get the answer. .5 into 3.5 into root 3 into 3. .82. 31.82. 31.82. Answers asking to first decimal point. Then 31.8. 31.8 square meter. That is a hexagon shape area. Hexagon area. Okay. After that, you can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 semicircle areas. 6 semicircle areas. 6 semicircle area. Okay, one semicircle equal 6 semicircle mean how many full circles? 3. 5r squared multiplied by 3. 6 semicircle mean full 3 circles. 22/7. R squared mean 3.5/2. The 3.5 is not the radius, diameter. 3.5/2, 1.75. 1.75 squared, 1.75 into 1.75 into 3. Okay, it is 28.887. Round off into first decimal point, it is 9 square meter. Okay, now to get the entire area, what you need to do? 31.8 plus 28 plus 9, adding total area. Please clearly note down and attach this paper. I think you all have printed paper. 28.9 plus 31.8, 60.7. 60.7 square meter. Okay, who got 60.5 to 60.8 wage answer ka? Who got? Good. This type answer you can get marks. You will have marks if you got answer 60.5 to 60.9 wage gattama, you have answer. No issue. Happy? Good. Amina? Fatima? First I got 6 triangle areas. Then I got 3 circle areas. 6 semicircle means 3 circles. Then I got the total area by adding the values. Okay, I'm going to erase and go to the second part. The data obtained to determine the height of a mountain. To determine the height of the mountains are given in the figure 2. Calculate the height of CD of the mountain. This is the height of the mountain. CD is the height of the mountain. Okay, angles are given and AB distance given. Okay, first of all, I am going to get it is 30 degrees. Think it is X. I don't know X. Think I want to H. CD is equal to H. Okay, now if I got this angle first, tan 45 equal H over X. Do you know what is the value for tan 45? It is 1. 1 equal H over X. Then I have relationship. The height of the mountain equal to the X distance. Height of the mountain equal to the equal to BD distance, X distance. Now I can apply tan 30. Why I use tan? because I am getting the relationship between opposite and adjacent. Tan 30 equal opposite h adjacent. What is the adjacent? 20 OX. Joule. What's the adjacent length? Very good. 20 plus x. 20 plus x. 20 plus x. Tan 31 over root 3 equal h over 20 plus x. Now, this x equal to h, right? This x equal to h. Then I can remove this x and I can substitute h instead of x. I got x equal h goes to h. If it is x 10 meter, it also 10 meter. Okay, that's why I change this. Okay, the reason x equal to h. That's the reason I change this. That's why I change. Understood? X equal h lemma. Okay, now cross multiplication. 20 plus h, no any change, multiply by 1, equal root 3h. Root 3h. Okay, the problem, now 20 equal root 3, that's the most important part, root 3 minus h. What's the meaning? You know, root 3 has a value. Root 3 has a value. 1.73 is the value. And මෙතන අපි නිකම් h ලිව්වට it has a coefficient. It has a 1. It has 1. Then 1.73 minus 1, what is the value? 0.73h. 20 equal 0.73h. Then you can get the h equal, h isolate, 20 over 0.73. 27.39 mean 27.4 meters. 27.4 meters because question into first decimal point. Okay, if you can't understand this part, please send me message. Others are simple. I mean, at this point, right? This one, okay, I changed the x and h because x is equal to h. Then think this type calculation. I have 5h minus h. What is the value? Now, මෙහෙම තිබ්බොත් 5h minus 2h. What's the value? 3h, right? 5 minus 2, it's 3h. Hurry. Now 5h minus h, what is the value? 5h minus h, 4h. 4h. 5h minus h, මෙතන අපි h දැම්මට මෙතන එකක් තියෙනවා. 5h minus 1h, it is h, sorry, 4h. Now it 0 root 3h. Root 3h minus h, the same thing. Root 3h minus h. What's the meaning? 1h. h කියන්නේ 1h නේ. root 3 mean use calculator and get the root 3 value. root 3 එකේ value එක ගත්තොත් ඉතින් 1.73 h minus 1h. Then what is the value? 1.73 h minus 1. 1.73 minus 1, it is 0.73 h එක එහෙම. Understood? Yes. Now note. Okay. Complete, Amina? Hard. Now calculate the area of the land OABCD in the shown in the figure. Okay, OABCD. OABCD mean OABCD mean it is okay. It has three triangles. It has three triangles, and this one 30. This angle 30. It is 45 and 60. Easily you can use half AB sin C equations. Half AB sin C. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Okay, I think this is first triangle, the second angle, and third angle. First, second, and third angle. Now, first one. Now I am going to calculate the area of first triangle. Okay, first triangle area. What is the equation you can use? Half into AB sin C. Half into AB sin C. Half into AB 10 into 80. 10 into 80. Because the two sides between the angle. Sin 30 half. Sin 30 half. Cancel into 5. Cancel into 9. 40. 40 square meter. 40 square meter. Okay, second triangle area. Second triangle area. Again, no need to write down equation. Half AB sin C. Directly you can substitute half AB sin C. 18 into 24. Sin 45. Sin 45 mean, what's the sin 45 value? 1 over root 2. No? 2 cancelled up to 9. Then 9 into 24. Divide by root 2. 152.7 square meter. Next, third one, third triangle area. Third triangle area. AB 24 and 16. Very simple. Same method. 24 into 16. Sin 60 again. Root 3 over 2. 2 to 12. 12 into root 3. 166.27 square meter. Okay, now you can get the total area. Simple. Total area, same method. Total area. +40 plus 152.7 plus 166 plus 27. Yeah, 158. So 358.97 square meters. Okay, who correct this? Make a decimal like a okay. If you got 358.94299 answer. Good. Others? Very good. Yeah, good. Good. Okay, let's move into part D. The length and the width of the height of pencil box which has a cuboid shape are 16 centimeter. 16, right? Yeah, 16 centimeter. The length, width and height of the cuboid shape 16, 4 and 3 respectively. What is the length of the longest pencil that can be kept inside the pencil box? It's a good question. What's the longest pencil that we can keep in a pencil box? Okay, I'll draw this pencil box first. Okay, this is the shape of this pencil box. This is the shape of this pencil box. Think this is the shape. It's a cuboid. Think this is the box. Pencil box or whatever box. Okay. Remember what is the longest pencil? This point to this point is the longest pencil we can keep inside this. This is the longest line we can draw inside the box. This end to this upper end. To calculate this length, To calculate this length, how to calculate the length, width, and height given 16, 4, and 3. 16, it is a length 16 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. How to calculate? Okay, first of all, now think if you got this type line, think it is 3D way. Okay, if you got this is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Wait. This is a cuboid. Think. This is the maximum length we can keep inside this. Okay. Now, if you put this type angle, this type right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Think it is for 16 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. It's not in scale. That's the method. Hari. Okay. Now, first of all, you can get this thing. It is a x. The longest one is a y. For easy understand, I got x and y. X and y. X and y. Okay. How to get this x? X equal. Now again, this one is a right angle triangle because it is bottom. Bottom is a this is a bottom. It's a bottom. This is a line. Now it is a right angle triangle 16 and 4. 16 and 4. X squared equal Pythagoras theorem. X squared equal 16 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, x squared equal what is the value? 16 squared plus 4 squared. 4 squared 16. 256 plus 16. 272 meter. Sorry, centimeters. Centimeters. 272 centimeters. It is x, not the longest pencil. If you are going to get, it is x squared equal 272. If you want y squared equal x squared plus 3 squared. Understood? X squared plus 3 squared. X squared plus 3 squared. It is x squared 272 plus 3 squared 9. Square root is a y. If you have any doubt, please ask. Y equal 272 plus 9, it is 281. 281. Okay, sure. 281. Square root 281. 16.7. 16.76. That means 16.8 centimeter. 16.8 centimeter. Okay, others understood? Okay, I will explain that. If you have any doubt, please ask. Kotana teru නැtti? Amina? Joel, this is a method. First of all, this is, understand, this is the longest pencil we can keep inside this box. This is the longest pencil. මෙන්න මේ line එක තමයි අපිට තියන්න පුළුවන් දිගම එක. That's okay. This is the longest pencil. Why? The x is the bottom rectangle diagonal. මේක අඳින cross line එක මේ වගේ. Like this. මේ පැත්තට නෙමෙයි. The bottom rectangle, මේක යට තියෙන rectangle එකක්. This rectangle, this line is the x, and now it is 16. It's a right angle triangle, it's 4. Then you can get the, Joel, you can get the x. මෙයා තමයි x. If you got y and x and 3, it is a right angle triangle. Think in 3D way. Now, okay. First I got the x using Pythagoras theorem. Then I got y using again Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I will explain short method. This type, the any cube or cuboid, the maximum length we can keep inside this box. Remember the short method, the maximum length we can store in this box. Remember the short method, length squared plus width squared plus height squared plus square root. Make කරලා බලන්න, that's a short method. Length squared plus width squared plus height squared square root. This is a short method to get the maximum length straight line in the box. Then y. Okay, you can try this method. L squared means 16 squared. 16 squared plus width squared means 4 squared. H squared means 3 squared. Square root is right. Hadra balan same answer come. Complete. Note down the short method. The maximum length of any box. How to calculate? Length squared plus width squared plus height squared. Square root. Remember the square root. Okay. Okay, complete. Send message. Complete. Amina? You all complete? Okay, others complete, right? Okay, let's move into the final part. Okay, it's a water tank. Normally, home use water tank. A water tank consists of two cylindrical parts. Cylindrical parts A and C. Yes. This is a A. It's a large. The body of the water tank is a cylinder, and C is a bead. It's also a cylindrical part. And part of cone. It is cone, full cone. The B part is a part of cone. Very interesting. It's a part of cone. B as shown in the figure. Calculate the volume of the tank in terms of phi. In terms of phi means without calculating the phi. The most important part of the question. First of all, I am going to calculate A and C volumes. Okay, I am going to calculate A part. Now, first C part volume. It's a cylindrical. Then how we get the volume? Phi r squared h. Phi r squared h. Volume of C. Phi r squared h. Phi r squared mean 60 into 60. H 5 centimeter. 60 into 6, 36. 36 into 5. 180, 2 zeros, 5 square centimeter. This is the lead volume. Volume of the lead. Square centimeters. Okay, now I can get the volume of A, cylindrical part. That's easy. Phi r squared h, phi r squared 90. 90 into 90. Height 150. 150. 9 into 9, 81 into 150. 20 square centimeter. Sorry, cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Okay, this is a part A volume and part C volume. Now part B volume is a problem. Part B is a problem. Part B is a problem. Okay, how to calculate part B volume? It's a part of cone. It's a part of cone that is given in the question. It's a part of cone. Okay, I will draw this in our board. Part B, part A and C, very simple. Cylindrical shapes. Okay, this is a part B. This is a part B. This is a part B. The radius 90 centimeter, 60 centimeter. 90 centimeter, 60 centimeter. And the height between the perpendicular height, the V part. Sorry, the full height is a 30. It's a important point. See, according to the diagram, the full height is a 30, but 5 centimeter thickness of C part. Then how about the B part height?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, there was a power failure here. I'll send only we have final part, right? අපිට එක part එකනේ තියෙන්නේ. I'll send steps into our group. You can go through and practice final part, very important part. If you have any doubt, please ask next day. Okay, let's meet next Tuesday with our new program, new paper. Goodbye.